Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So we have more nail mail. I've opened it so that it's easier and I'm not going to start myself opening this video. So let's zoom out a wee bit. So yeah, this is Next Up Nail Artist nail mail again. So we have, so it's from CND this time, and I think it's just a few of their colours. So we have this one. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that. We have a base coat, Divine Diamond, top coat, Lovely Quartz, Rebellious Ruby, and last but not least, Sassy Sapphire. Sorry for all the banging. That's lovely. So yeah, that's my parcel from CND. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open these and show you the colours. So this is Sassy Sapphire. Please excuse my nails. Oh, that's nice. I will be getting my nails done soon, but I've been moving my workspace around so that it looks a lot tidier and not cluttered. So I'll do a little tour and show you that once it's all finished. So this is Powerful, whatever that says. Oh. That's that one. We have Rebellious Ruby, which is that. It's got some nice little glittery sparkly bits in it. I don't know if you can see that very clear. Lovely Quartz. I like the bottle. Don't know if you will see it, but it's got like a wee pearlescent. Oh, so's this. Beautiful. And then last but not least, Divine Diamond, because there's no point in showing you base and top. So Divine Diamond. Oh, that's nice. So very pretty. So guys, I'm not sure if I will be getting any more nail mail from Next Up Nail Artist, but if I am, what I'll do is I shall do another video to show you guys. But that's what I got in this one, so I'm going to go now anyway, and I'll speak to you guys in the next video. Bye for now.